A new story has popped up which has amazed the people of Pakistan, the people of Punjab, and the people of India. As a lady who was 48 years old, Indian national Sarbjeet Kaur, came to Pakistan to celebrate the birthday celebrations of Baba Guru Nanak at the Gurdwara Sahib with some Sikh pilgrims, came on November 4, 2025 in Pakistan, but it turned out that she embraced Islam on November 5, 2025. Within a couple of weeks, she did not only convert to Islam but also got married to Mr. Nasir Hussain, a local resident of Nankana Sahib. Ms. Sarbjeet Kaur, who converted to Islam and now named as Madam Noor Hussain, was halted with its deportation back to India, which was accepted via Wagah border. This decision came out officially without any reasons yet, but the former chairman of the committee, Gurdwara Prabandhak, has said that she should be deported under the Foreigners Act of 1946 and under the strict surveillance of Federal Investigation Agency and relevant authorities. On the other hand, the advocate Mr. Ali Changezi Sindhu has petitioned in the Lahore High Court, where he said that she should be deported back via Wagah border to India because she had a criminal record back in India and she should not be presiding in Pakistan illegally, as her visa was expired on November 15, 2025. The current provincial minister of minority affairs and Gurdwara Prabandhak committee has said that it has nothing to do with the official or state interference as far as her personal matters are concerned, whether she wanted or whether she did embrace Islam on one hand and got married to a local resident, Nasir Hussain, on the other. These were her personal prerogatives, but her deportation via Wagah border to India has been halted for now due to reasons that has been not unfolded or unleashed to the public. If on one hand, the former chairman of Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee has reservations with Sarbjeet Kaur aka Noor Hussain presiding in Pakistan, as he's saying that she is presiding here illegally as her visa was expired on November 15. On the other hand, the current chairman of the Provincial Minority Affairs and Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee has said that it is her personal prerogative whether to convert to Islam or to get married to a local resident of Pakistan, but her legal reasons and legalities and formalities must be fulfilled for her to live in Pakistan permanently. But still, her deportation has been halted back to India, and people, and especially the couple who had already been taken in the custody by a Federal Investigation Agency, are waiting optimistically for positive results officially and legally by the authorities. Thank you.